Today I'll be showing you my nerf slash airsoft base. Nerf shotgun. Here's our nerf long shot sniper. Here's the other sniper spot. You can't really move it. You only got really looks circle area. This gun just mainly for scouting. And me and my brother. I'm getting the M14 SO combination with 2 extra magazines, magazine pouch, and a vest. My brother's getting the
M9A1.
M9A1 dual mag, 5.5 mil on it.
Flashlight laser.
Flashlight laser. Here's the other Nerf pistol. We have M911, Saw, Sniper, UCG Master Sniper. Well, guess that's all. Bye.